guys, welcome back to the channel. We're gonna do a test speed run on the Arrma Infraction V2 GT. We're sporting a new body. We just cut and installed the Toyota GT1. We're gonna give it a pass, see how we do. This is the last run of the day. For some reason, the car is pulling more to one side than the other, and it wasn't doing that. So definitely it's something for concern. Okay guys, before ending the video, I wanted to give you my thoughts on the upgrades and what I found with the car. Towards the last speed run, the car was pulling hard to the left, so came home, took the car apart. Anyways, after 5 speed runs, I wanted to check everything, make sure that everything was nice and tight, and also find the problem. So let's start with the rear. The EMP 0 degree, excellent. Wheels are straight. They weren't even. I didn't have any issues with that. Rear diff, took it apart, checked it out, no issues there. The spool, Flopack spool, that thing worked great. The ceramic bearings, they held together. The only problem that I found there when I took it apart was the spur gear, the set screw was a little bit loose, and it didn't have enough red Loctite. And the front, it's where I found the problem, why the car was pulling hard to the left. The set screw on the right cup was loose, also not enough Loctite. So those 2 issues were my bad, but it took 5 speed runs to find the problem, and so I think the car held together very well. All the upgrades, man, I'm super happy with all the upgrades. The fast Eddy ceramic bearings all around the car, Flopack spool, the diff lockers, the EMP, to me they were all worth it. The car was running steady, straight. The car's running very smooth with the bearings. I don't have anything negative to say, and the only issues that I found were, my personal issues. I didn't put enough Loctite on 2 set screws. Otherwise, car's running great. We are painting the body now, so I'll put up a little, maybe like a short video when I'm done, and then take it out again for another speed run. This time we're gonna take out the GPS, and we're gonna see what we do. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for subscribing to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one.